Hi, I'm Francis, the host of this show, Cooking with Dog.
こんにちは。今日はピリ辛でついつい手が出る美味しい唐揚げ作ります。
Today we have chicken thighs that are sold for karaage, a Japanese deep frying method. These are easy to use because they have no excess fat and are about the same size. Cut them in half so that each piece weighs about 15 to 20 grams. Let's make the marinade. Combine the soy sauce, sake, gochujang, Korean fermented chili paste, grated ginger, and grated garlic in a bowl. Mix well until there are no lumps of gochujang. Gochujang is a savory, sweet, and spicy paste that is an essential condiment for Korean dishes such as bibimbap and samgyeopsal. Place the chicken pieces into the bowl. Toss the chicken to coat with the marinade. Cover the chicken with plastic wrap and marinate in the refrigerator for 1 to 1.5 hours. The chicken has now been marinating for 1 hour and a half, but you can also leave it a little longer. We will now coat it with potato starch and fry it with a little oil. Remove any excess marinade and place the chicken on top of the starch. Coat thoroughly. Coat the rest of the chicken thoroughly as well. You can also put the potato starch in a plastic bag and shake the meat in the bag to avoid getting your hands too messy. Let's make the chicken karaage. Heat 3 mm of vegetable oil in a frying pan over medium heat. When the oil is heated and it becomes less viscous, add the meat, starting with the largest pieces first. The temperature will drop as you do this, so increase the heat a little. When all the pieces are added, wait a little. Then, instead of turning the pieces one by one, shake the pan fast. Separate the pieces that are stuck together. We are deep frying with a minimum amount of oil, so the smaller the pieces, the faster they will cook through. Turn the pieces over one by one, starting with the ones that are lighter in color on the edges. By the way, in our experience, it is okay to leave the chicken in the marinade overnight. This allows you to prepare it the night before and pack it in a lunchbox the next day, or make it ahead of time for an extra dish when people get together. Occasionally shake the pan and turn the pieces again to get a nice brown color. Remove the chicken pieces from the pan in the order they were cooked and place them on a paper towel. Because cooking oil is expensive these days and disposing of it is a hassle, many households are using less oil. Arrange plenty of shredded cabbage on a plate. Pile up a spicy chicken karaage in the middle. The well-seasoned fried chicken is delicious on its own without any sauce or toppings. You can drizzle your favorite dressing over the cabbage. Arrange the parsley leaves between the cabbage and the chicken. The dish is now ready to serve. Stirring the mixture once during the marinating process helps the meat absorb the flavors.
ピリ辛で美味しくて止まらないんですよ。
This fried chicken is great with hot steamed rice or as a snack with a drink. Good luck in the kitchen!
今日は巣鴨の小さな洋食屋さんでスコッチエッグをいただきます。楽しみだな。看板には1日数量限定、お一人様も大歓迎と書いてあります。こちらはスコッチエッグのお店として有名な洋食小林さんです。 ランチの時間帯はお店の外にも行列ができています。ハンバーグ定食やビーフカツ定食など美味しそうなメニューがたくさんあります。きれいに盛り付けられたスコッチエッグ到着です。スコッチエッグにコロッケがついてボリュームたっぷり。お箸でスコッチエッグ割ってみますね。聞こえますか？このサクサクの音。ジューシーなお肉ととろりとした半熟卵、それにソースがかかっています。これは間違いなく美味しいです。美味しい。こちらの赤いソースはお店特製のトマトジャムです。お店の方がこのジャムをスコッチエッグにかけて食べてくださいと言っていました。トマトジャムをスコッチエッグにかけるととっても美味しかったです。定食なのでご飯とお味噌汁、お新香もついています。これが1200円でいただけるなんてとても満足度の高い定食です。今度近くまで来た時は100円プラスしてカニクリームコロッケ食べたいな。いやー美味しかったな。パン粉サクサクでお肉ジューシーで中の卵がとろりでしょ。また来なくっちゃ。また。
Thank you so much for watching until the end. Please consider supporting our channel via YouTube Super Thanks. Your subscriptions and likes are much appreciated. Take care everyone. See you.